Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Mark. 5 magic questions that will help you speak English naturally, keep conversations flowing, and never run out of things to say. These questions work in everyday situations, at work, with friends, while traveling, or even making new connections. Let's dive in. Let's start with the first magic question. Number 1. What's something you're excited about lately? This is one of my favorite questions because it replaces the boring, "How are you?" with something positive and personal. It immediately invites the other person to share good news. Here's an example. You, what's something you're excited about lately? Them, I'm going fishing this weekend. You, that's awesome. Where are you going fishing? See how easy that is? One question turns small talk into a real conversation. You can use this at work with colleagues, with neighbors, or even with someone you just met. The beauty is that people love talking about things that make them happy. While they speak, you can listen and learn new vocabulary naturally. This question is perfect for beginners because the answer is usually positive and easy to follow up on. Number 2. How did you get into that topic? This question is fantastic when someone mentions their job, hobby, or interest. It shows you are genuinely curious about their story. For example, if they say they love fishing, you can ask, "How did you get into fishing?" They might reply, "I started with my father when I was a child." Then you can say, "That sounds meaningful. What do you enjoy most about it?" You can adapt this question to almost anything: photography, cooking, teaching, sports, or learning languages. It turns one-word answers into storytelling. This is especially useful in professional settings or when you want to build deeper friendships. People feel valued when you ask about their journey. Number 3, what's the best part about that? Or what's the hardest part about that? This question brings emotion and opinion into the conversation. It makes the chat more interesting and balanced. Here's an example. You, what's the best part about living in your city? Them, the fresh seafood markets. You, that sounds delicious. What's your favorite thing to eat there? You can also use the hardest part version when you want more honest answers. For example, what's the hardest part about learning English? This helps create connection because you can share your experience too. This question works very well in casual and professional conversations. Number 4. If you could try one new thing this month, what would it be? This future-focused question is excellent for sparking creativity and imagination. It helps you move from small talk to more meaningful conversations. Here's an example. You, if you could try one new thing this month, what would it be? Them, I've always wanted to try fishing in the mountains. You, that sounds adventurous. Why fishing in the mountains? This question is great for dates, networking events, or making new friends. It reveals their interests and dreams, giving you plenty of topics to explore together. Number 5. What surprised you most about that? This question is perfect for travel, culture, studies, or life experiences. It often leads to honest and memorable stories. Here's an example. You, what surprised you most about studying English? Them, how fast native speakers talk. You, I know exactly what you mean. What helped you improve your listening? You can use this after someone shares a story. What surprised you most about that experience? This question creates deeper connection and gives both people a chance to share. To sound even more natural, combine these with simple power phrases. That reminds me of, tell me more. I feel the same because, no way. What happened next? These short connectors keep the conversation smooth and show you are actively listening. Now here's your challenge for this week. Pick one of these 5 magic questions and use it in at least 2 real conversations. It can be with a friend, colleague, shopkeeper, or even in the comments below. Tell me which question you chose and how it went. I read every comment. If this video helped you feel more confident speaking English, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future lessons. In the next video, I'll show you how to answer these questions like a native speaker. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, you already have everything you need to have great conversations. Start using these magic questions today. You've got this. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.